it's very hard to pick one step as a favorite part of the process. But I think for me, something that was very new was the whole face massage for lymphatic drainage, because that is not anybody else is offering in Bombay. So I think for that I have to come back to you only, because it really is important to take care of the lymphatic blockages and drainages. So that massage really helped me feel that now that whole blood circulation is also going to amp up and maybe help me with the facial glow that I want.
Absolutely. So that is the aim. Honestly, that is the aim, because a lot of stress that we carry is stored in our jaw muscles. And
Right.
when we when we go for the spa, it's all neck down.
Correct.
And then when I personally experienced this part of the massage, I was like, why am I not doing this? This is my area.
That was your
So-
Eureka moment.
Exactly.
I'm so
It's like,
glad
I'm
you
doing it.
introduced it, and I think everyone should experience this once in their lifetime so that they can keep coming back.
Has
Yeah.
to be the teeth whitening, because we boys, we have coffee and some of them are smoke and do this or that, so we always usually have that yellow tint. And after I've gone through the teeth whitening, I've loved it, and it was so smooth, basically quick, smooth, and we boys are very impatient, so I loved it. That was so quick and so smooth. Yeah, so I love the teeth whitening.
Like the massage, and I like the laser as well, because when you and your team, when we did a specialized personalized treatments like a spa, you made sure that whatever issue I had, as per that you did the wellness
Yes.
program. So though we had a group party, but when that personalization came, so I like that laser thing which was done the most.
Most importantly, I loved the whole dental wellness experience, right from the chair experience where, the whole ambience is so relaxing with this lovely jazz music in the background. It really put me at ease, and I'm sure everyone felt the same. But, that extra little touch of having the eye patches done from a wellness experience to the whole after party, which we did, just to enjoy a little bit of gourmet food that we had curated and put together. So, everyone enjoys it
Yeah.
because it is a party after all.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think it's been like a 20 on 10 experience for me. That's all I can say.